student or a stay-at-home mom that is just looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home or ways to make money without having to rely on anybody, I got you. Let me tell you about Clicksense. So what is Clicksense? Clicksense is an advertising and social media platform that has given us 7 wonderful ways to earn, but I'm going to explain it one after the other. For better understanding, the first one is cashback. At Clicksense, we believe in standing out and doing things differently. That's why instead of the typical registration bonus that often goes unused, we're excited to introduce the cashback. Upon registration, when you join Clicksense, you'll be instantly rewarded with the cashback of 4,000. That's when you pay your 6,000 for coupon code, and it will go to your commission revenue. Your commission revenue functions similarly to affiliate earnings. It's eligible for withdrawal every Tuesday or Thursday and Sunday with a minimum withdrawal threshold of $10, which is 10,000 naira. On that one again, on that way to earn again is Click and Earn. This feature allows you to earn between $1 to $3, that's between 1,000 naira to 3,000 naira daily, with the potential to earn even more. By simply clicking on paid ads, you can earn up to $3 per day. Is that not interesting? For every ad you click on, you receive $0.25, that's 250 naira. The more ads you click, the more you earn, making it a lucrative opportunity to boost your income. Then we also have your earnings from Click and Earn. Because the money you get from Click and Earn will be added to your clicks revenue, providing you with a clear overview of your earning. And that one again is the affiliate commission. I'm sure we all understand that. When someone registers on Clicksense using your referral link, you will receive a direct referral commission, that's referral bonus of 5,000 naira, which is $5. Additionally, your uplines receive an indirect referral commission of 30 cents, that's 300 naira, each time you refer someone. This also means you will receive an indirect referral commission of 300 naira every time any of your downlines refer someone. There is also second generation indirect commission of 10 cents, which is 100 naira. Let me just give you a brief summary of the referral commission. When you register, with your 6,000, you register somebody, that's your first referral commission. You get 5,000 naira. Do you understand? When you downline refer somebody, you get your first indirect commission of 300 naira. Then when that's your indirect commission refers somebody, you get another commission of 100 naira. Please, if you don't understand, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section for me to explain it. Or if you have access to my WhatsApp, fine. I will even do more videos to explain everything I'm saying. So that's how Clicksense works. Then your referral commission and indirect commission will be added to your own commission revenue. So everything is withdrawable. That's for the commission part. Then we have team gift. This is also known as downlines gift. We are used to uplines benefiting from their downlines only through indirect commissions, leaving the downlines hungry without any benefit like that. But now we want to change it. So when you register someone on Clicksense, and as in that $10, 100 naira will be added to your team gift balance. 10 cents, this fund can then be distributed to your team members, that's your downlines, your team you've created, as a token of appreciation for their loyalty and contribution to your team's success. Do you understand? So think of it as a balance transfer, but exclusively for rewarding your downlines. The most active upline receive the highest team gift. So when you are choosing your upline, choose wisely. Don't go and choose an audio coach that's not doing anything. You can transfer or distribute a minimum of $2.5, that's 2,500, to your downlines. And if you are not satisfied with your team members, you can even gift yourself. That's for the uplines. Team gift ensures that everyone in your team benefits directly, fostering a culture of mutual support and encouragement. Then we have the TikTok Pay. That's the sweetest part. The solution for TikTokers to monetize their creativity effortlessly. Are you not tired of creating content without being paid, without earning a dime for the content you create? So don't worry, with Clicksense, we'll be rewarding your creativity. So Clicksense rewards creativity among our TikTok creators. You will earn between even $1 to $2 per 1K views you get, depending on the creativity of that video. Do you understand? So someone will be saying, How does it work? A very creative video with 100k views could earn up to $200. Will be rewarding you based on the creativity of your video. So it's time for you to up your game and try to make the videos very creative. Let me give you one example. Explanatory videos, that's videos where you have to talk the way I'm talk about Clicksense and promote it. You will gain more. You will gain more than those videos that you just sit somewhere. They are called illustrative videos using TikTok sounds or captions to promote Clicksense without you speaking, or sometimes without even you appearing in the video, just putting some write-up. The one you talk with your mouth, you gain more than those ones. We believe this change will encourage even more creativity and innovation among our TikTok creators. So, and the benefits doesn't stop there. We have more benefits. More views means more referrals, translating to double benefits, which are TikTok Pay and referral commission on Clicksense. So we still have ads commission. The gains are too many. An opportunity for you to earn from your advertisers on Clicksense as far as they are coming through you. So say goodbye to generating revenue for platforms without gaining anything in return. Now, as they are generating revenue for the platforms, they are gaining. With ads commission, you earn 5% of the total amount paid by advertisers when they advertise on Clicksense through you. For instance, if an advertiser pays 100k for ads, you get 5k, that's $5 as commission. Now, every time someone advertises through you, you earn. Is that not nice? Your earning from ads commission will be seamlessly added to your commission revenue. So there's nothing like cheating, providing you with a clear overview of your earnings. Everything is just going to be very transparent. So we have the Clicks Exchange. This is the perfect solution for those trading digital assets like cryptocurrency and gift cards. You understand? So with our high exchange rate and secure payments, referring your friends to trade their digital assets through us is a win-win situation for everybody, because you receive 1% of any amount they trade. Any amount at all, you receive 1%. For example, if your friend trades assets worth $1,000 using your exchange link, you will earn $10. That's 10,000 naira. Your earnings through Clicksense, through Click Exchange, will be seamlessly added to your commission revenue. For swift withdrawal, I just hope people understand what I'm saying. With the current Binance P2P ban, many are seeking alternative platforms to trade their assets. Refer them to Click Exchange using your own link, and start enjoying exchange commissions today. My daughter is here. All right, how value marketable courses. That's another way to earn. In this era, the importance of acquiring modern high-paying skills cannot be overemphasized. You understand? At Clicksense, we are committed to providing you with courses on these skills, but not just anyhow courses. Our offerings are high value and high marketable. That means they are in high demand in the job market, making it possible for you to start earning immediately after learning them. As a registered member, you will gain free access to these courses, giving you the opportunity to enhance your skill set and boost your earning potential. Don't miss out on this, please. Don't miss out on this chance to invest in yourself and your future with Clicksense, because I'll cry if you do so. Then we have withdrawal days. Commission revenue which comprises of all your earnings from these sources, from your referral commission, from your indirect commission, TikTok Pay, ads commission, exchange commission, all these things I've listed. These earnings will be added into your commission revenue balance. And you can withdraw funds from your commission revenue on Thursday, Tuesday, and Sundays between the hours of 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. The minimum amount that is withdrawable is $10, which is 10,000 naira. Do you understand? So Clicks revenue, which is your earnings from clicking on ads through Click and Earn, can be withdrawn on the 23rd of every month. The minimum withdrawal is $29. Please note, please don't forget, this withdrawal is automatic, so you don't need to place the withdrawal yourself. Just upload your bank details after registering and wait for alert on the 23rd of every month after earning at least $29 through Click and Earn. Then we have blog revenue, which is your earnings from engagement gotten through your Clicksense blog, and it can be withdrawn 24 hours after your clicks revenue has been withdrawn. So you don't withdraw them the same time. It is also automatic. And the minimum withdrawal for blog revenue is $30. It is also automatic. And please don't forget, you must be qualified for clicks revenue withdrawal. Otherwise, you'll be unable to withdraw your blog's revenue. You can withdraw your clicks revenue without blog revenue. So it's not compulsory that you do the two the same time. On Clicksense, you can earn and withdraw without referrals 3 times a week. All these things I've listed, there's only 2 places that you need referrals. Through TikTok Pay, through ads commission, through team gift, through exchange commission. Immediately your earnings from any of these, which will be added to your commission revenue, gets to $10. 10,000 naira, that's what I mean. You can request for withdrawal when the portal is open for commission withdrawal. So there is no it's not compulsory that you must refer. No, it's not compulsory. Immediately all these things I've counted, immediately it gets to $10 just for you to apply for withdrawal and your money will be withdrawn. Don't forget that you need to have an active upliner like me. Because if your upliner is not active, that team gift works when the upliner is active. That team gift, you won't get it. Then apart from even the team gift, for those of you that have tried other platforms, you've noticed some things that by the time you are registered under someone that is not active, you just be moving around, roaming around, not even knowing your left or your right. Do you understand? So when you have an active upliner, it makes everything easy for you.